This is my super easy and quick lunch dish, which is a cooked quinoa and spring green salad with a 3-to-1 quick pickle. The cooker tap is perfect for this part of the recipe because it really allows you to get lunch going quickly. Once the quinoa is cooked, we can give it a rinse in the boiling water and then set that aside. Now we can focus on the greens part. I'm working with Cavallonero and rainbow chards, and we're going to quickly flash blanch them under the boiling water to keep them super green and crispy. Next up, we can start to work on our green goddess dressing. Chives, shallots and garlic, spinach, lemon juice, and finished off with some olive oil, and then we can start to blend this all together. Once our beautiful green dressing is made, we're moving on to our 3-to-1 quick pickle. Sugar, white wine vinegar, and boiling water from the tap to really get things going. I'm making shallot rings here, but you can use any kind of onions and just chop them up in a way that you like. Onto the final stage of this really quick lunch is our toasted seeds in a beautiful brown butter. And then we can finish up the salad with our toasted seeds, our quick 3-to-1 pickled shallots, and that is my really quick lunch on the go.